Very last detail, number 47, over fence number 2. And over fence number 17 is Flight Marshal. 3 more fences for them on this course. And 47, every last detail, over fence number 3. Flight Marshal over fence number 18.
I did the classic You're Not Supposed To. I thought, oh, I'm so glad he got through that competition. And I'd already told myself to do something fast, and I went, oh, you did the point again. And then I laughed at that, because it is a good thing that you don't get points out.
And coming up to fence number 20, Adagio's Adventure. Over and into the finish flag, that is Mariki Gatto and Flight Marshal number 46 finishing their novice test. Now Sarah and every last detail, number 47, down the bank at fence 7.
All right.
And every last detail now on their way to fence number 9.